What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Travel Tip Tuesday, where every Tuesday I bring you new vegan travel tips in 2 minutes or less. If that sounds like something you're into and you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified when there's new videos. Let's roll that sequence. This week, I want to talk about waste. You could say this is vegan adjacent, but I'm vegan for the animals, and if I hurt the environment, that hurts them too. So I say it counts. Let's start that clock. Today, I want to talk about how we can build a simple travel kit to eliminate unnecessary waste from our travels. First, get a reusable water bottle. A Nalgene or a Hydro Pack collapsible water bottle are my favorites. But unfortunately, I lost my Hydro Pack in Vietnam. So since then, or lately, I've been just using this glass bottle. And that goes to show you don't need to buy anything new. You can easily use something you already have or reuse something that you find. If we turn zero waste into some new form of consumerism, we completely miss the point. That's another issue altogether. Once you have a water bottle, you don't need to purchase plastic water bottles. You don't need to purchase bottled water at all. I hope that you don't do this at home as it is, but now you won't have to do it when you travel either. Now, I can hear you guys already, but Jason, what if where I'm traveling, the tap water isn't safe? That brings me to my next item, and that is a SteriPen. A SteriPen is a UV water purifier that renders all those little buggies in the water powerless to make you sick. Now, make sure that you get the USB rechargeable one so you don't have to be hunting down CR123 batteries somewhere in the far corners of the earth. And trust me on this one. You can skip this one altogether if you're traveling in a place where you know that the tap water is safe. I carried a Hydro Pack and a SteriPen through Central and South America for 8 months, and by my estimation, that saved 2,000 plastic water bottles. Next, I'm a coffee drinker, especially iced coffee. But even if you're not, you don't want to be putting smoothies and other to-go drinks in your water bottle. Use that strictly for water. So my solution is get yourself a blender ball cup. You know, the little shakers that you can shake up your protein powder with. These guys have thick plastic walls and they snap closed nice and hard so they stay watertight and they won't leak, unlike this Yeti coffee cup that I'm using right now that has to be kept upright. Oh, and another added bonus, they don't need a straw. In a pinch, a blender cup is also good for leftovers. Speaking of leftovers, it is a great idea to make sure that you have some kind of container that you can take to-go food without all that extra packaging. I've got this little silicone guy that's watertight and collapsible, so it expands to hold quite a bit of food. If I find a link to this one on Amazon or something like that, I'll put a link in the description below. Get yourself some cutlery, a reusable straw if you use straws. Throw all those things in your reusable tote bag, like this one I got at the Cardiff Vegan Shop. Oh my goodness, I almost forgot. Get yourself some little mesh produce bags. Really, really great. So you don't have to carry your produce around loose, and you don't need to use their plastic bags. As a matter of fact, I got a couple here. I have a few here that I got at a vegan festival in Ukraine when we were there for a weekend, and they just happened to be having a vegan festival, so I picked up a couple there. One way or another, throw all your goodies in your little tote. Throw this in your day bag, or use the tote bag as your day bag, and you are all set for a waste-free vegan adventure. And that's it, ladies and gents. My time is up, or my time is over. Was there something I missed, or was there something that you always bring that is really, really helpful? Leave that in the comments below, and maybe we can include that or talk about that in the next video. And once again, if you found this video helpful, please, please, please give us a thumbs up. And to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified. Until next time, stay homesick and stay vegan.